Y'all, I just got my fucking eyebrow. When did I do that? Okay, y'all, so the first clip of the video got deleted, so this is all I have of what the wig looked like before, and then here I straightened it a little bit. But yeah, this is all I have because those clips got deleted. But okay, y'all, so y'all know where I'm at. Don't play. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the wig on. Taking the clips out real quick. Hold on. Also, my hands are black because I was coloring another wig, and I was gonna put that one on, but it just didn't work out, so I'm gonna put this one on. So I just got done straightening it. Okay, y'all, so my scalp is now greased. Now I need to put the edge control on my edges because, girl, y'all don't even know. It's just ghetto. Yes. Let me stop though. I got real things to do here. I low-key feel like I should put a cap on my head, but I hate caps. I hate them. I hate them so much. I'd rather just smack this on my hair right here, baby, and that'd be it. Put a little makeup. That'd be it. Where's the makeup? I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put the wig on now. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put it on. It's gonna look something like this. Hold on. It's gonna be like that. And then something like that. Something like that. Not quite the whole thing, but definitely something like that. That's what I'm thinking is I'm gonna cut like this off, that off, and we'll just have what we have after that. But that's what I'm gonna cut off. But before I cut it off, I'm gonna go ahead and start this process, I guess. But I need to put some makeup on this before I start, I think. Like the inside, let me flip it back. No, let me just take it off. Ain't got time. I do not have time. So I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Let me see. I'm trying to see what color this is. This is Nutmeg Muscade. It's a little lighter than me, but I don't want it too dark. But I do think it's a little lighter than me. You know what I'm saying. And then I'm just gonna go in with the makeup brush that I had, but now it's magically disappeared, y'all. Now, y'all, why is this beside me? It was literally right here. Crazy. But I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this. And just go in on the lace. I don't. let me not scrape this across my forehead, because it will definitely have some makeup on it. Okay. I don't care. And now I'm gonna go on with the grip gel. I was like, Lord, don't tell me I dropped it, because I just can't go down there and get it right now. But I'm about to go in with the grip gel, and I'm about to put those layers on. So here I put 2 layers of the gel on, and it was very sticky. Y'all, this is really sticky. Like, this is actually like sticky. Hold on, let me put another layer on. Y'all, this is really sticky. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I am following an Arrogant Tay video, so I had to go see what he did when he put this on there. So I'm gonna blow dry this a little bit more, which he didn't do that, but I'm gonna just do that because I'm not him. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my baby hairs, and cut the rest of this lace off. So my thing is down there. I don't know how I'm gonna get down there, but I'm gonna get down there. But I'm not gonna let y'all see, because I don't got time to be falling on here. Because I already fell once, not gonna do it again. Okay, y'all, so I did fall, but y'all didn't see me, so it's okay. Even if y'all would have seen me, it would have been okay. Because y'all know, it is what it is with me. Like, you get what you get. You gonna see what you gonna see. Y'all, okay. I ain't even put the other stuff on there yet. I'm finna though. Hold on. Let me cut the rest of this lace off. I'm kind of scared, but what they say, out with the old, in with the new. I don't care. Yo, get into the melt though. I'm gonna lay that down. Get into the melt. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just taking out the hair to do my edges with and just placing them now. I don't care. go in with the Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. Go ahead, put that on there. Okay, now I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna cut the hair off and get everything together. So I'm gonna go with the Liquid Fix Spritz Gel, and I'm gonna just spray some on my brush. Okay, y'all, so I forgot I turned off the camera. So I fixed my edges how I wanted them, but it was off camera. I wasn't even recording. But I don't know what's going on with this side right there. I'm gonna have to fix that like later. I was not recording. I was just talking to myself, like. Okay, now I'm about to go in and put this on my hair and use the hot comb. I've used my hot comb before on here, but I will link where you can get everything, all hot combs, all hot tools. Okay. I kind of don't want to cut it anymore. I'm so indecisive. I kind of don't want to cut it anymore. I kind of really like it like this. I don't really care. Like I said, I really want to like cut it, but I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna let my mom cut it. So I'm gonna let her do that in the morning, and I'm gonna go to sleep. But I might not cut it. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna sleep on it. They say you should always sleep on stuff. Let me put some lashes on. It's a lip gloss. Yeah, I know I'll be coming back with the lashes and the lip gloss. Like, bam. I might come back with it cut like bam, or I might just come back like bam. You never know. You never know. So we're done with the applying process, though. I feel like it looks good. This look is cute. Get into it, okay? But yeah, I love this middle look. I love this look. It's cute. I did really good. Cause if you see how I was looking before to now, from last time, yeah, y'all would be like, girl, you did that. And I'm gonna show you so you know I did that. Cause I did this. You can't tell me I didn't. And it's really on there. Like, I hope this doesn't break me out. I'm gonna have to do a 2-week update after I post this one. Cause I really hope this doesn't break me out. I'll be really, really mad. But if it doesn't, this is the new norm. Like, this is what we going with, period. Okay, I decided to do edges on this side. And y'all, while I was minding my own business, cutting the hair off to make the edges, I done cut my eyebrow, but I only cut it a little bit. Like, I felt like, I think I cut like one hair maybe. And then I realized I might do it on the other side. But I don't know. I'm really hoping like that was like that before I started, because if it wasn't, Oh snap, I'm gonna mess my freaking things up. I think it was already like that. I don't think that I cut any off. But I don't know. And I'm gonna cry if I did, because it looks like I did to me. Y'all, I just got my fucking eyebrow. When did I do that? It's not bad, like it's not like super noticeable, but I noticed it. Like, when did I do that? It's like my eye looks freaking swollen, and it's not. It's my freaking eye. It's just my eyebrow is gone a little bit. I hate it here. This is like the worst place ever. Boom. Is my eye swollen or am I I don't know. I cut this over here a little bit, but I cut it over here a little bit. It looks like a lot, but I don't really know. I don't really know. Scissors. This is why I use scissors. Scissors don't even do this to you. I don't even want to look over there anymore. It's just pissing me off. And nobody was going to say nothing. Y'all was just going to let me sit up here looking stupid. I'm sorry. I can't. I feel like that looked like that. Like if I did cut some off, I just cut some off like right here. I don't know. I can't keep looking at it because like some angles are like no I didn't, but then some angles it's like yes you did. It's like I don't know. I can't keep looking at this. I'm gonna go crazy. It's flat. It's cute. It's more than presentable. I mean, that's what I feel. But yeah, hold on 1 second. In the next clip, we either gonna see if it's cut or not. But I'm still be looking cute. So yeah, hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I cut it. I cut it, y'all. I was contemplating for so long. I was like, I'm not gonna cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it. Boom. I cut it. I really like the cut. I think it's so cute. My mama cut it and I'm excited. I think it looks so cute. What y'all think? I think it's cute, y'all. Stiff wear, period. Like I said, this hair came from Valoria, Get Pretty with V. You can order hair from her off her website. Also, you can either go in and get your hair done. She has a shop here. And yeah, I like it. It's cute, y'all. I love this. But yeah, that's it for this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on. That is very important, family. Bam, bam. That's important. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.